All right, so I'm here on Garrett Road at the corner of Chestnut and Garrett to show you a unit on this building, C building. It is a third floor unit. I go through this door and I will go up and show you what the unit looks like. You have a key, you need to have a key to get in through this door. Okay, I'm here on a third floor to show you a one bedroom unit. Unit number 302. I just walk in. As you could see, the place gets a lot of natural light. You have high ceiling, a wood floor, a radiator heat, 3 windows for a natural light to be looking out to the Garrett Road. From here, on the other side, you have your dining and kitchen area. In a dining, you have this small closet space. I should say a pantry maybe. It's deep. You have built-in shelf. You could set your dining tables here and chair. This is your kitchen. You have a gas oven. You have your sink, cabinet, plenty of cabinet on both ends. You have your refrigerator here. You also have this door to go to your outside balcony to enjoy the breeze of fresh air and to look down to the courtyard there. It's a beautiful place to have. This is your kitchen, as I said. Next, I'm going to take you to your bathroom. Your bedroom and bathroom. So go here. On your left, you have your nice bathroom. On your right, away from the street, you have your bedroom. So this is huge bedroom. You have a nice window for a natural light. Very big bedroom you have, very high ceiling, beautiful hardwood floor is painted. In a hallway you have 2 closets, similar in size. Here is the first one. Here is the second one. Then the last place I would like to show you is your bathroom. It's a beautiful bathroom. You have a bathtub, shower combo, and a window for a fresh air. Here you have your medicine cabinet, your sink, brand new toilet, your bathtub and shower combo. Nice size bathroom across the hallway from your bedroom. I hope you like the video, you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.